Hi, I'm Simen Huuse. In my previous video blogs, I've talked about the SAP HANA Cloud Platform, or HCP for short, and the Internet of Things. I've also urged you to try out HCP for yourself with your own free trial account. So today we'll go through the steps required to set up your own free account and test the IoT services provided by SAP. I will also show you the itelligence IoT sensor app available on Apple App Store. So before we begin, I'll give you a slight warning. It's going to be fairly geeky today. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't really like to log on to the system yourself, you might be entitled to skip this one, or just hang along for the ride. Okay, let's go. First of all, if you haven't done so already, you need to get an HCP account. That you can get on hanatrial.ondemand.com, so direct your browser there and click on the register button. When you've entered your details, the account will be created for you and you should be able to log in. The free version comes with the ability to connect to backend systems and to Eclipse Studio for developers, and you get 1 GB of SAP HANA to play around with. Now, of course, there are some limitations to the free version of HCP, such as only one Java application can run at a time, and the SAP HANA database will be shut down every so often, and you're not allowed to use the free version in a productive scenario. But for what we're doing here and for learning how HCP works, it's more than sufficient. After you log in, you need to activate the IoT services. That you will find under the Services tab in your SAP HANA Cloud Platform cockpit. Click on Internet of Things and then click Enable. That step will make the Remote Device Management Service, or RDMS for short, that we talked about last time, available to you. So that's where you do your initial setup of devices. However, the services running in HCP are protected, so you need to make sure that you have the required roles. And that you do inside the service that we just activated. Choose Configure Internet of Things services in the details view of the service, and from there choose the Roles button on the left-hand side. Assign yourself to the role that you see there. Later on, you would need to do the same for the Message Management service. After that, go to the Application tab in your SAP HANA Cloud Platform cockpit of your account. There, please choose Subscriptions and select the IoT cockpit application. Choose the Roles tab there and make sure that the IoT user role is assigned to your user. Now we're ready to access the Remote Device Management service. So go back to your IoT service and click on the link Go to Service. Here you can access your message types, which are the structure of your information going back and forth between HCP and your physical devices. And secondly, you see the device types, which categorize your devices and link them to the message types. And on the right side, you can get a list of your physical devices. On the lower part of the screen, you see the Message Management service. So please go ahead and deploy that now, and you're ready to bind the IoT MMS user role to your user. Now, this has been a lot of information in a short period of time, and no wonder if you're not able to keep up. So I've created a blog post that I've linked to this video, and you can go through the steps in a bit more detail there. Now that the HCP IoT services are all set up, we're ready to start collecting some data. And for this example, we'll use the itelligence IoT sensor app, available for you in the Apple App Store. So grab your iPhone or iPad and go to the App Store and search for IoT sensor in one word. After you've downloaded and installed the application, you should open it and click on the sensor button. And from there, you should be able to see all the real-time sensor data coming from your device. So play around with it for a while and take a look at my blog post where you can see how to connect the application to the HCP trial account. In my next video blog, we'll use the connected device together with a quadcopter or drone to go out in the field and collect some real-time data. The results will be presented in the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. See you then.